In question 2 of this exercise, there are two parts and we have to choose the correct choice for each of the following. So we have to find the 30th term in this AP 1074 continued, and we have to find the 11th term of this AP -3 -half 2 continued. So we are going to make use of the formula that the nth term of an AP AN can be written in terms of the first term A, the number, the index n, the position of the term, so n minus 1 times the common difference. So, and what this equation says is that to go from the first term to the nth term, you have to from the first term you have to make n minus 1 jumps of size d, size of the common difference. So that is what we're going to use. So let's start with the first part. So in the first part, the first term of the AP is 10, so A is equal to 10. What is D? What is the common difference? So we can take any pair of terms. So let's take the first pair of terms, 10 and 7, and we subtract the first term from the second term. So 7 minus 10 is -3. So D is equal to -3. And now we have to find the 30th term. So N is 30. So N is equal to 30. So now we can find A 30, the 30th term. So this will be equal to A plus n minus 1. So 30 minus 1 is 29. D, A plus 29D. So A is equal to 10. And then we have 29 into -3. 29 into -3 is -87. So we get 10 minus 87. And this gives us -77. So the 30th term of the first AP is -77, which is option C. Now let's do part 2. In part 2, the first term of the AP is -3. A is -3. What is the common difference in this case? Now let's take any pair of terms. So if you take, let's say, the second and the third term, the common difference can be calculated by subtracting the second term from the third term. So the third term is 2 and the second term is -half. So we can do 2 minus half. So this is D, which is 2 plus half or 5 by 2. So D is equal to 5 by 2, or you can call it 2.5 also. And what we have to do is we have to calculate the 11th term. So N is equal to 11. So now A11 is what we have to calculate. A11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 or 10 times D, A plus 10D. So A is -3. And then we have 10 into D. D is 5 by 2. Okay, and now what do we get? So we get -3 plus 2, and this leaves 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. So -3 plus 25 is 22. So the 11th term of the second AP is 22, which is option B. And that completes question number 2. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.